Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sami Solomon. I'm a YouTuber blogger living in Botswana, Gaborone. Today on this video, I'm going to share you on the easy ways of cleaning washing machine. I'll be using natural remedies. Today I'll be using bicarbonate of soda and white vinegar. Please like, share and comment to my video. First, I'm going to start by washing the filter and detergent dispenser. As you can see, there are some leftovers of washing soap, so I'll be cleaning this and also the body of the washing machine. I will be cleaning also using bicarbonate of soda to wash this. I'll be using a brush and a cloth to clean the filter and dispenser out. When you are done now with cleaning your machine, all you have to do is to put on bicarbonate of soda in the detergent dispenser. You put the whole sachet of 100 gram bicarbonate of soda. After that, you put about 2 cups of white vinegar. When you are done on your machine, you press equal tap cleaner. It cleans for about 2 hours as you can see. Then you only have to press start. You have to use warm or hot water for best results.